Hello everybody and welcome back to a brand new video. Today, as you can see, it's another car vlog. I'm currently stuck at traffic lights, which is why it's the perfect opportunity to start this video, because I'm probably going to be stuck here for the next 2-3 minutes and it's quite boring, it's not fun, and I've currently got my dash cam blocked up by the holder for this thing. So maybe come up with another one where I can actually see. Because if I crash right now, all they're going to see is just a bloomin' mount. And because I do have a dash cam, when I start doing vlogs again, I can use the dash cam footage for like a time lapse or something, which is good. And yeah, as you can see, traffic's now started to flow, which is good. And I actually had time to start the video this time. And it's lovely weather outside, and by lovely weather I mean it's peeing down with rain, so typical British November really. And oh yeah, it's the 1st of November today. That's funny. But anyway, so I said on my I said on one of my videos last week that I was going to open up about some stuff in this video. So this is what this video is. Turn the volumes up a bit more because I don't want to crash in the middle of opening up about my life and not my legs, because I'm Virgin Mary. But anyway, yeah, so first topic, is like my job. Where to go my job. I've got a start date now, which is next week. I might have said that already, but that's good news. That's good. They're sorting all the stuff out. I need to see if I can sort the other bits out today. Hopefully I can. I've left it like 2 days, so they said it should take 2 days. So hopefully I can get on there, get everything. I had an email yesterday about it, so maybe they've done it all, which will hopefully be nice, because yeah, it'll be great if I can actually start. But I did say they'll put me down for next week's start. I'll start next week, so that's one good thing. Yeah, I mean, it's sad to leave my old job. I have already left it. I left it last Friday. It's now Friday, the 1st of November. And yeah, it was sad to leave because I did make such good friends there. And I'm probably going to pop in on Sunday. I might have to go in the Halloween costume. Because why not? Because it's one of them things you got to do. I might make it a Facebook, Twitter post, and get one like I go into my old Halloween costume. So follow me on Twitter at 118 C-Dawg, and you'll see that tweet, even though this video will be out after that, but it'll probably get 1 like, so I'll probably be like 2 likes. So there we go. And I'll take a selfie and post it somewhere, I don't know. But anyway, that's work stuff out of the way. I can't remember what I was going to open up about. That's how great this is, because I made that video a few days ago, like 1 or 2 days ago. My memory's great, as you can tell. But yeah, this new job as well. As I said in the last car vlog, it is at McDonald's, and it's due start next week. Hopefully, it should be good. Hopefully, I'm saying hopefully a lot. And my car is all listing up on the inside, so I should probably get that sorted out. I don't want to open the windows because otherwise it would be like a wind noise in this phone camera. And I am using my phone for all these car vlogs. I've been using my phone. I think it just saves setting up a camera or holding a camera. I just feel like if I have a car mount here, if I have a guest, they just sit there and we can just chat. Yeah, we can chat. That'll probably be the future of these car vlogs, like in time. Like I might get a Dilsey on here, or like when I start earning more, I'll get like maybe other YouTubers I can collab with, take them for a drive, do like a carpool karaoke type thing, but not a carpool karaoke because, yeah, don't want that copyright. Have to call it something else to avoid the copyright. And there's a lorry out front, so I'm now to slow down on a 60 road and now going 30. This is all good fun, and I don't advise driving without hands because I'm now veering into the other side of the road, but we won't get into that. I'm a great role model. You should hope your kids turn out like me. I'm joking. Hopefully they turn out like we want them. They should turn out to be themselves. And this is the worst turning of the entire place. Second worst, actually. The worst is the junction of the A11. That's bloody horrible. But I said but a lot. Because I can't make these car vlogs, and I have no idea what to like talk about. So I might start doing that stuff, like making like a structured. Just, I know it sounds, you know, boring, but you know, we're going. It's not a car for a while, so I need to turn the wipers. I need to turn the air conditioning on because all my windows are misting up. All my windows are misting up. So that whirring noise is in fact my air conditioning. I do usually turn it off, but because it's such a cold, wet day out there, I do just have to have it on, even if I'm on 3. That's not as bad. And it's not on the highest temperature, but that should hopefully take the edge off the, whatever you call it, the mist. Condensation, that's the one. That's the word I was looking for. But now I'm on the main road, so that's why I've turned them on. Because I don't want to form it up on it. Because it's a fast moving road. And cars overtaking, stuff like that. Me overtaking people, people overtaking me. But let's try and open up about any problems. That's something I remember. Because I was talking about how like I just constantly feel alone. Yeah, so because I've seen my friends in that work, that's what I was talking about. Change of subjects, very professionally done. So yeah, when I've had this week off between jobs, and I wanted to go out and meet up with friends, but because they're working or at college, I'm just at home all week by myself. So it has been a boring week, but I have tried to get out. Well, not get out, but try some. If I found me about as well, it was like a few hours. But at the same time, I'll stay at home and record videos. And I've been doing that every day. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. It's now Friday. So it's like the last opportunity I've got to record videos. But I don't actually have enough time this morning, so I've only got this afternoon to record videos. But luckily, I've done them already, so that's good. Not only did I have to record this week's videos, I had to record last week's videos this week as well, which was last week. So this video has been made last Friday. It's complicated, but I like to make a bit of advance just in case there's anything that goes wrong with them. I've then got a few days to fix it. Whereas the Sims video for Friday I made on Wednesday, double check the audio, it's all there. But at least then I knew that if it was gone, if something did go wrong, I had Thursday and today to sort of fix it. It's all fine, so I don't need fixing. And it's so miserable outside, like it's so rainy. And I'm really hot, but I need the aircon on. I can't stop because I'm on the main road. I've had to sneeze. Everything's happening. That's the first time I've sneezed behind the wheel. I've got it on camera. Woo. But yeah, as I was saying, it's harder seeing people during the week. So I have a feeling, you know, alone. Have them days. Like some days you just want to stay home. Some days you just don't. And since the last month or so, I've been like, I wanted to go out, but I know if I do, I won't have any money. So I've been hard on myself. I've been hard on myself, especially this month, because I got less money. Well, because I didn't work the last few days. You know, I lost about 120 quid, which to some people that's a lot of money when you put it in perspective. That's like 4 shifts for me. That's nearly a week's wages. So I lost pretty much a week's wages. And that's with holiday pay as well. I was getting like less. I've got 520 something. I usually got like 640. So yeah, if I had that, I would wait. bank again, just in case I've done it in 2 installments. I don't know. I'll look. Maybe I'll do it next month or something. But that will probably be all the money. It's such horrible. It's horrible weather outside. And this video is probably going to be longer than the usual car vlogs because I'm just going to, like, I don't have to go to work like I did in the last one. I can just sort of get close to home and then stop the video. But on them roads, I can sort of go a bit slower when I'm stopping the video, and then yeah, I can go to about 30 if someone's behind me. But on these roads, I can't because it's just you go down from 70 to 50, and you go around the roundabout, and then I've got to go right up to 70. Then by the time I get to 70, I've got to slow down again to go off the junction, which is fun. This car isn't like powerful, it's like not even a 1.1. I'll take they class it as a 1.1 because it's like 1086. Like there was a van coming, I didn't want to go in front of it. I'm not that sort of person. I don't like pulling out in front of people because it's just not a nice thing to do. And plus this car hasn't got the acceleration, so I would have caused an accident. If I had a Ferrari, however, I probably would have. But I don't have a Ferrari, so I didn't. And I'll let you know when I'm at 70, and then I'll let you know when I've slowed down. That's a good idea. Yeah, I'm just babbling on these videos because what else do you have to talk about? I mean, I'm in a vlog, and I'm now, well, I'm at 67, that's like where my speedometer sort of hit 70, but I like it a bit off because then if I want to, I can get a little bit extra. And then, yeah, so I'm at 67 right now, looking at you guys, which I probably shouldn't do. And then about 400 yards, I've now got to indicate. I've now got indicate to come off the main road, and here I've got to slow down, but it's wet. Luckily there was a car behind me, but he's slowing down. Brakes on, come off the slip road, but it's like, it's a turn. It's a slip road, but it's a tiny slip road. And the last time I went around this in the rain, it was one I nearly went off the road. It wasn't this one, it was like another one similar to it. But luckily that one's got a wider, maybe I tried to just skirt it round. I had to just spin it round and I had it. Right, now I can turn that off, thank goodness for that, because I'm off the main road. Anybody coming? No, there's not. And if this video gets 5 likes, I'll have a mini carpool karaoke session in this car, and I will sing. I will sing in my car in a video and upload it to YouTube. But only if this video gets 5 likes in 1 week. That is the deal. If this gets 5 videos and 5 likes in 1 week, I'll do that Wednesday to Wednesday. I will make a video of me singing a song. Me singing, like not messing around singing, like me actual belting out a song, piercing your eardrum singing. And my air freshener just fell down. Luckily I went in the other footwell, passenger side, and I will upload it to this channel. You've got my word on that. Right now, I'm going to end this video. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, and I'll see you all in the next one. See ya!